Hello, welcome to Travel Boost. Travel Boost is an all-in-one travel agency management platform designed specifically for travel businesses that want to manage their entire operation from one centralized system. So instead of using multiple spreadsheets, different CRM tools, accounting software, and separate booking system, Travel Boost brings everything together into a single platform. So, with Travel Boost, you can manage sales and leads, customer relationships, quotations and proposals, financial operations, supplier management, tours and packages, Hajj and Umrah operations, car rentals, transportation services, team management, and business intelligence and operation. So let's take a complete tour of the platform and see how each section works for you, okay? So the first thing you'll see after logging in is the dashboard. So let's say you are done logging in. Then the first one that you'll see is the dashboard, all right? So at the top, we can see the revenue. This shows the total amount of sales generated from booking during the selected period. So whether you're looking at today, this week, this month, or custom date, revenue helps you monitor your business growth. All right. So the next one is the next net profit. So this is the amount remaining after all expenses have been deducted from revenue. So while revenue tells us how much is coming in, profit tells us how much the business is actually keeping. So the next one is the outstanding AR. So the outstanding payment shows the what you call this the money that clients still owe. This help agency like yours identify the unpaid balances and improve cash flow. So the next one is the average booking value. So these metrics shows the average earned per booking in here. So hang on, let me just go back. The next one is the new leads. So new lead represent potential customers who have recently shown in your interest in your business, like here. You'll see here. So the next one is the one lead. So one lead track successfully converted bookings. So this help you measure sales team performance. You'll see here. And then, hang on, the next one, you'll see the conversion rate. So conversion rate tells us how effectively we're turning inquiries into paying customers. All right. Like, for example, 100 inquiries. So in that 100 inquiries, there are 20 bookings. So that's a 20% conversion rate. So next is the weighted pipeline. So it provides a forecast of future revenue based on what you call this active opportunities currently in your sales funnel. So this allows management to predict upcoming income. All right. So hang on, let me just go to the reports and business intelligence. But before that, hang on, let us move forward for the next section, which is the lead sources. So one of the important capability is the lead source tracking. So when a lead enters the system, Travel Boost records where they came from. Examples including what do you call this? Including referral, Facebook, Instagram, from email, from Google Ads, and WhatsApp. All right. So this allows agencies to analyze marketing effectiveness. All right. So as mentioned earlier, capturing the source is you know what, it's very critical because it allows management to understand exactly which channels generate revenue. All right. So, hang on. So, here is the sales funnel, the sales, and the second one is the hatch. So, if you see here, there's 12 new lead, 11 contacted, 7 qualified, and the proposal sent is 6. So, by the way, each agency, by the way, can customize these stages based on its own workflow. All right. You'll see here. Wait. Let's just go to DuPont. So you'll see here his details. You'll see the contact, the travel details as well, the pipeline, and you can also add notes in here. So it will redirect in qualified after it's contacted, and then you can also send proposal. Here you will see the proposal sent, the negotiation as well, if it's won or lost. Okay, on just here. Okay, so this one, this pipeline source is from email, as you see here. So this one is assigned to Amen Flix, and it was created last May 18, 2026. Okay, can also here see the document, the proposal here, the invoices as well. As you see here, the hatch, the transport, the rental, and the last one is the activity. Like here, follow up on proposal, roam trip, and then his name. Okay. So the next one, by the way, you can see here, you can set the Kanban or list like this. You can also view here the analytics, which is really great help for you because you'll see here the total leads, the open win rate, and the average sales cycle. In here, the conversion rate for new contacted is 4. This one qualified is 3, 14 reach, 3 progress, and there's also a percentage. So by this, you will see what is the good process versus bad process, because you see here in the negotiation there are 6 reach but the one is only 1 in progress. So you will see also the stage velocity. You'll see here hang on, the new contacted, and the last is lost. The next one is the lead sources. There's also a what call this percentage here. So the top sources is from Facebook, followed by Instagram, and then referral, and the last, hang on, is the webhook. Okay. Next, we have here the client section. So once a lead becomes a customer, they move into the client section. So the system stores customer profiles, booking history, travel preferences, documents, and the last one is the payment record. So this create a complete customer database. So as you can see here, what you see on this page is the total. If it's that what call this the top tier VIP and gold, of course the revenue, the average revenue, average CSAT, and this month. So you'll see here if it's they are standard, their tier is standard, if they are bronze, if they are silver, if they are gold, platinum, and here there are two VIP. Okay, so you can also use this search bar to search them by keyword or by their name. So in here, the VIP is Aicha and the Yasmin. You can see here. So their tier, revenue, and then trips, and then their satisfaction. You can also, by the way, import and add client by clicking this. All right. So the next one we have proposal. So this is where travel consultants create professional quotations. Okay. So it also, hang on. Travel Boost also includes proposal templates, which is really great help for you because you can customize that. So it has, when you see this, there are 9 drafts, 6 sent, 5 viewed, 9 accepted, 3 rejected, and the 2 is expired. Okay. You can also add new proposal, like for example, A, B, C, ACD, then like for example, the destination is Italy. You can also have the cover page, travelers. You can also put the layout, of course, the pricing. You can also add notes that is will visible to the client, and of course, link to lead. All right. And in here, you will see the proposal, trips to Abdella, then the, hang on, this one, okay? This one is trip for Abdella. You'll see also here the package price, discount type, of course. You can also print that to PDF, but let me just go back to other leads so that, hang on, let me just sign in again. Where are we? We are here in proposal, is it, if I'm not mistaken. So let's go back to DuPont. Okay, so you see here. So in here, you can see the preview trip. And then you'll see you will redirect to other part of the website. So Rome, I mean DuPont, and then prepared for DuPont. Okay, this one his location is Rome, and then the date is August 21 to January 17, 2027. The travelers are two, and then you'll see the departure in as well. There's also a countdown. And also, if it's sent, viewed, accepted, deposit paid, confirmed, traveling. All right, you see here all in all. So here. So let's go back in here. Let's just go back. By the way, you can share this link to them as well. Let's go back. What else? Let's see this. Kuala Lumpur trip, Leia Trabelsi. So, this one is accepted. So, the total is this one, discount, tax, and then total again. So, we can click again the preview trip. So, it will redirect again. So, yeah, this one is Kuala Lumpur, August 8th to August 2021 to 2026. So the travels are 3, then 4 nights. So departure in 44 days, of course. Then they already accepted and they are currently in the deposit paid. So this one is the itinerary, day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. All right. So let's go back in here. You can also view the invoices as well. You see here. So this one is overdue to pass 2 days past due. All right. Their details, payments, action, booking, PNL. All right. So let's go back to proposals. You'll see here there's a lot of proposal. And let's discuss. Hang on. Let's discuss here the invoices, which is really important. As you see here, the total bill, it also has collected. You'll see here the outstanding, the overdue. So in here, there are 5 drafts, 6 sent, 9 partially paid, 13 paid, and then 1 overview, and canceled is none. You can also customize the date if you want. And then let's go back here in paid. Okay. So Razuk, let's see. Yeah, this one is the invoice for Azuk, which is currently in the currently paid. Yeah, paid, balance zero, then their status, you'll see here. Of course, the due date, you'll see also here the overdues. Okay, so next one, let's wait for a moment. Let's discuss here the finance section. So the finance command center, you'll see here, hang on. You'll see here revenue this month, expenses this month, net profit, cash position, AR outstanding, AP outstanding, runaway days, action required, the cash flow forecast you'll see here, the income versus expenses for 12 months, cash position trend, of course, the top expenses categories, the recent activity, hang on. Then the next one, we can have here the, what you call this, income. So revenue this month, 11.5 euro. And then you see here bank, if it's the methods, if it's bank transfer, credit card, cash, check, online, or other. Okay. And then the sources, if it's invoice, rental, trip, Hajj, or if it's manual. Okay. So, in here, the financial command center, you can gain complete visibility into your agency's financial performance. All right. You can monitor income, expenses, profit, and cash flow without relying on the spreadsheet. Okay, the features of this is the real-time cash position, income and expense tracking, profit and loss reports, rather, bank reconciliation, 90-day cash forecasting, and AI powered receipt, OCR. So you can also export, you can also add record expense, you can add record payment as well. So hang on, let me just what else? So if I'm going to click the I, by the way, you can also record payment. So number of invoice, you can link that. If it's Jean, Yasmin, Abdallah, Karim, if it's Aka, and I want you to hover you for the business intelligence section under finance. Okay, so this dashboard provides a valuable insights in the company's financial health and future sustainability. You'll see here. So here we can see the runaway, which indicates how many months the business can continue operating based on its current cash position and spending rate. Okay, so in this example or in this area, the company has an estimated of 59.3 months, giving a clear picture of long-term financial stability. So the monthly burn rate shows how much money the business spends each month, while the current cash position displays the available cash on hand. And this metric help business owners like you monitor expenses, manage resources effectively, and make informed financial decisions. So below the burn and cash trend chart visualize the cash flow and spending patterns over time, like making it easier for you to identify trends and plan for the future growth. So additionally, here the top customers and the top suppliers as well section highlight the most valuable clients and business partners, helping management focus on key relationships that contribute to revenue and operational success. So it also has margin per source. You'll see here it's really powerful, right? So overall, this business intelligence dashboard under finance help you track financial performance, improve forecasting, and make data-driven decisions to support your business growth. This also highlight the AI budget suggestions for travel, marketing, office meals, transport, commission, visa, accommodation, supplier, and tips. The AI cost reductions recommendations as well. You can also refresh that, and then this one you can also apply all. So like for example, medium consolidated ground transportation with Amen Airport transfer. There's also high reduced meal expenses through per diem policy. Okay, so let's go back. In here, there's also a bank section which has the total cash, accounts, unreconciled, match, unmatched total, and match percentage. You can also bank categorize rules. You can add rules or apply now. Bank accounts, you can also add bank account, but in here, no bank accounts yet. All right. So let's go back for the suppliers. All right. So for this section, as you can see, manage relationship with airlines, transportation providers, and other travel vendors from one centralized system in here. So what you see on this page, total suppliers, gold tier, contracts expiring, payable outstanding, this month spend, account active RFQS rather, the allotments low. So in here directory you will see lots of suppliers. It also has a calendar in here which is really great help because you can see all the events that you needed. And of course there's also a business intelligence like in the finance. There's also a business intelligence in the supplier directory, which you can see the AVG Health, the top customers, the watch list, and then the blacklist. Okay. And then you can also see the performance leaderboard. So for Four Season Bali, Hilton Istanbul, Grand Hyatt Dubai, you can see here as well the score. So the multi-currency spend, you'll see here as well. This spend by supplier type as well, you'll see here. Hang on, let me just. Yeah, by the way, the negotiation hint, you will see here as well. And then the watch list, the blacklist as well. And then the RFQ queries as well. No price request yet, but you can add requests. So the title, the destination, service type, how many packs, date from, date to, valid until. You can also add notes and then you can send that to suppliers. You can select like that. And then you can send that to suppliers. All right. So supplier management help agency like yours track the business partners. All right. So let's sum up for the first. So in Travel Boost, you can see the first one, leads, which we are done already, the clients as well, the proposals, invoices, finance, and now we are here in suppliers. So as you can see, Travel Boost are like all-in-one application tools that is really great help for you because you will not go back to other spreadsheet just to see the records, because in here you can use this as all-in-one. All right, we are still have a lot of thing to discuss, so I hope you will like how Travel Boost can help you. Okay. And by the way, this system in supplier directory will help you monitor supplier balances and payments. Okay. If you will click in here, Mogador, hang on, yeah. So active contract 1, active allotment, payable 0, and then spend. Alright, you can also see the overview, hit score, total contracts, payables, booking trend, you'll see here as well. The contact, of course, the scorecard, supplier portal, the margin, commission, notes, and then the financial section. So, next one is the rate. You'll see here, products, of course, contracts. This one is still active. Allotments, blackouts, payable, RFQ, activity, negotiation. You can also add log negotiation, and of course, excuse me, the document. You can also edit that. You can also delete that, okay? And we have here analytics. You can also view the full analytics of that. In here, total spend, active suppliers is 14, AVG margin is 37.8%, total bookings, and then top rated. So we can also add new price requests, okay? In here, payables, aging, performance, Hilton, Istanbul, yeah, hang on. I just go back. Let's go to analytics. View full analytics. Yeah, we're here. So type hotel, DMC airline, and then the rating here, rates, AVG margin, bookings, revenue, profit, expense, own, and contracts. So performance leaderboard as well. On loading. Geographic distribution, you'll see here as well. Spend by supplier type as well. Multi-currency spend. You can also have this rate search and the RFQ. Okay. And let's go back in follow up. So, in the follow up command center, you'll see here the total open, due today, overdue, this week, completed today, AVG response time, response rate, action required. So in here there are 83 overdue. Hang on. 83 overdue. You can list that via Kanban or list. And by the way, for this follow-up command center, it was like, this one is a potential booking due to miscommunication. So Travel Boost can automate follow-up reminders and customer touch point throughout the sales process. So the what call this? The features of this, it has automated follow-up schedules, reminder notification, lead nurturing workflows, and activity tracking. It also had template, sequence, auto-generate like I've said, and you can also add new follow-ups, okay? So Travel Boost connects every customer interaction from the first inquiry to the final booking and beyond. Okay, so leads become clients, like proposals turn into bookings, and every action is tracked automatically, like helping travel agencies increase conversions and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Okay, so in the follow up management, you'll see here the overdue, due today, tomorrow, this week, and completed, which is 12. So this section helps you stay organized by keeping track of calls, emails, messages, meetings, and other tasks that need to complete. Okay? So it ensures no lead or client is forgotten and help you maintain timely communication. Okay? So the communication type, I'm going to say to you is like calls, emails, WhatsApp messages, SMS, meetings, and tasks. All right, so for the list, here you can see the passport expiring, payment reminder, and so on and so forth. And it also has a calendar which you can see all of the things or all of the events in one place. Okay? From Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And of course, you'll see here the agent workload. Okay? Utilization, and then of course we have here the powerful tool that we have here in Travel Boost, which is the business intelligence. You see here the agent leaderboard, best time to call, which is really great to help for you because you know what, some of the customers are really busy because of their work, and you'll see here there's a suggestions what is the best time to call, which is really great to help for you. So the next one is the conversion rate. Of course, the volume, heat map, the cadence performance, and of course the what call this, outcome distribution and the response rate. Of course, you can also add new rule to this one if it's auto priority or escalations. Okay. And the next one is the agent. So for today, total open is 66. Fresher is 33. Agent is 2 here. Amen and Fatima. And then you can add new follow-up by clicking this one. Okay? So there's also a timer in here so that you'll see. And then hang on. Let me just go to the document. All right. So in here, you'll see total open is 5, portal uploads, images, PDF, office, and the total size. You can also see all the categorized portal uploads, visa, medical, and other, all file types, images, PDF, Word, Excel, and other. And then you can set the day for today, this week, this month, last 30 days, or you can also customize that. You can also search them by keyword or by their name. You can view this as grid or list. Okay, so this document section acts as a centralized storage hub. Okay, because we know that agency there's a lot of information documents, so Travel Boost can help you centralize a storage hub like this. So you can surely store passport, visas, contracts, booking confirmations, and travel documents. It was like everything remains organized and searchable. Okay? And then the next one, we have here the calendar. So the calendar provides a visual view of all agencies' activity. So we can track the follow-ups, trip departures, trip returns, proposal expires, invoice due, hatch departure, hatch return, rental starts, rental ends, transport, contracts expires, and passport expiring. You can view this as per month, per week, per day, or by agenda. You can also add here new event. Okay? So for the follow up here, Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So trip departure, you'll see here one event which is Wednesday. It's for Emain. Let's see the passport expiring Wednesday and it was Emain. Hajj return Wednesday as well. You'll see here invoice 2026-0034 Wednesday, July 1. We can also open record and you'll see the invoice in here, okay? And then the next one, modules, we have here the tours and AI, tour operator command center. This is one of the most exciting parts of Travel Boost. Because you see here the tour management, like agency can build and manage their entire tour catalog. All right, so AR tour generations, Travel Boost includes AR power tools that can help you generate and travel packages and itineraries faster. All right, so you'll see here total tours, published, draft, departures, seats sold, monthly revenue, AVG tour value, action required. So this one is their catalogs. If we're going to click the one you'll see here, Tangier Magic 5 days trip. You'll see here the overview, of course, days, pricing, season, availability, suppliers, bookings, and their reviews. Okay, let's go back again into the main section. You can also add create tour, then it also has configuration that will depend on you. So the business intelligence tab here inside the tours module, we have the capability of this one, like this provide a deeper analysis into like have a popular destinations, booking trends, customer behavior as well, revenue performance that will allowing agency to make data driven decisions. In here you see here fleet rating, total surveys, recommends percentage, leaderboard, utilization, heat map. You'll see here, of course, the survey results, pricing suggestions is also had a pricing suggestions which will help you in terms of the pricing. Okay, there's also a demand forecast. Okay. And inquiries management, you see the track. You can also track customers' inquiry directly from the tour section. It also had AI Studio. You can also generate tool, generate proposal. If we're going to hang on. Yeah. AR tour generators, destination, you'll type here if it's how many days, duration, and of course, the budget per person, travelers, interest, accommodation, of course, is very special request and you can generate that. Okay. This one is one of the powerful section here in Travel Boost. All right. Because of the AI Studio and the business intelligence. Okay, so the next one we have here Hajj and Umrah management. Okay, so this module specialized built specifically for privileged travel. Okay, you can manage pilgrims, active groups, revenue, collected, visa approved, and overdue. So this one is action required is for overdue installments. So this section help agencies efficiently organize Hajj and Umrah operations. As you can see here, there's a group for Umrah Shawwal 2026. You'll see that May 15, 2026, and the season analytics, of course, type, groups, pilgrims, cancelled percentage, revenue, collected, collection, and the AVG ticket. You can also add package, okay? Like if it's premium or not, if it's standard, premium, or VIP, of course, the price, room type, if it's double, triple, or quad, of course, Hotel Maca, Hotel Medina, meal plan, and then their transport, if it's bus or private, and of course, you can also add the description, okay? And a passport, hotels. You see here, passport expiry. Let's just go back. Wait for a moment. Go back in here. Of course, there's also a sub-agent. See here, you can also add new sub-agent by clicking this. Next one, of course, extra services. Other one, of course, you can add season. Okay. So next one, we have here the car rental. So fleet rental command center. What you see on this page, you can see the car totals on rent, reserve, maintenance, pickups today, returns today, and the fleet revenue. You can also add car, add suppliers, and add new rental. So action required, one overdue rentals. It also has, hang on, this one is the overview. You will see here the fleet status, the top renters, the recent activity. So the fleet here, the rentals you see here as well. If it's all reserved, if it's active, completed, canceled, overdue, and you can also add another rental. So here the calendar, you'll see here fleet, Mercedes van, and the live fleet you'll see here as well. As of now, here, of course, the maintenance, suppliers, and also pricing. You can add new rule and then test pricing. Of course, the promo codes and the loyalty. You'll see here the tier threshold if it's bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Of course, the total members you see here as well. So the next one we have here transport fleet command center. So this module manage transfer station services. So what you'll see on this page, see the vehicles on trip, in maintenance, drivers on duty, trips today, and the fleet revenue. You can see here the overview as well, like in the car rental. So here, and then of course the vehicle, drivers, of course, the trips, routes, calendar, of course, leaflet, pricing, maintenance, and in here there is subcontractors, performance, and of course the analytics. This one is one of the most important tool in here. You'll see here the analytics for this month, last month, or this quarter. So management can monitor transportation operations real time. Take note of that. Okay, cost breakdown, service ratings, utilization heat map, and the next one we have here marketplace. So travel booth integrates with major what you call this travel marketplaces. All right. Example includes in here is Aviator, Get Your Guide, Klook, Expedia Locker Expense, Airbnb experiences. So these allow agencies to synchronize bookings and expand their product offerings. All right. You'll see also here the user guide. So here how it works. First one, connect, enter the API credential once only, sync, we pull bookings from the marketplace, auto convert, and then manage. In here, get your guide. You see here the guide, which there's also a frequently asked question which will help you. Okay. And next, hang on. We have here team section. So the team modules, the team system allows administrators to manage staff members. You can invite users, you can assign role, you can control permissions, you can monitor activity like ensuring proper security and accountability. You'll see here total 3, active 3, 1 online, inactive is 0, super admin is 1. You'll see here the team, which is Fatima, Amen, and Abdallah. Okay, you can also customize team settings. Of course, you can invite them. And then we have here Hang on. We have here the report system. Okay? So, in here, report system, what you see on this page is it will analyze the performance of your business across your agency. Okay? So, it has overview, of course, revenue, conversion funnel, agent performance, of course, P&L summary, destinations, clients, Hodge report, AR aging, source ROI, and of course the settings. Hang on, let's just go back to reports, okay? So in here, you can get complete visibility into your business performance. So the available reports, as I've said to you earlier, is in this section. Okay? What you call this? Yeah, this one is the AI powered reporting. So ask question like which destination generate the most profit, and then which marketing channel has the highest ROI, which agent closes the most bookings, and why are the conversions rate declining. So Travel Boost provides the answer instantly. Okay, can also refresh that. So this one, you see here, of course, the hit score. This one, the monthly revenue versus expenses. Of course, one of the good in here is it also has recommendations. Okay. The next one we have here the audit trail. Okay. In the audit trail, this one is you can track all the changes across your organization. You'll see here the activity log, here, the report. And of course, you can also see the statistics, top entities in here, top actions, and the most actives. Okay. The next one, we have here the admin panel. Okay, so this one will help you manage your SaaS platforms. In here, there are total agencies, monthly revenue, of course, the active users, the total leads, agency status, monthly sign-ups, revenue by plan, revenue by plan, of course, recent sign-ups. In here, you'll see here Gene Agency, NK Tours, Out Moment, Fatima, and then the top tenants by usage. You can also apply storage policy here. In here, you can also view the finance section in here. The plans, like here, for growth, it's $199 per month. It has 19 modules, white label, and of course priority support. So the pro, it is $129 per month, 19 modules, priority support, and of course the starter, which is 79 per month, 19 modules, white label, priority support, and you can also add new plan by clicking in here. Of course, the tenants you'll see here, activity you'll see here, of course, tutorials video. You can also add the tutorial video in here. So the next one is the blogging SMS. CMS rather. So there's also a marketing CMS, blog articles where you can write, you can edit, you can publish article based on your business. You can add article by clicking this, and by this you can search for a specific blog that you wanted to see or you wanted to view. It has publish, draft, or you can also have it by archive. All right. Hang on. And then here is one of the goodness here in Travel Boost. it's in settings because you can configure your agency's settings. So here, your profile, of course, agency profile, pipeline, you'll see here the pipeline. You can also add pipeline based on your likings. Of course, the lead sources, invoice and billing. You can also configure your invoice. Loyalty tier threshold. You'll see here, and the goodness in this section is you can customize the loyalty tier based on your likings too. You can have the $2,000, 5,000, 15,000 for VIP. You can have that even 200, something like that. And also it has also tier ladder. Okay, and you can customize here all in the settings. Remember that. And of course, notification as well in here. Of course, the API integration, you can have that in settings if you wanted to, to edit some of the things that you wanted in terms of your API and integration. Just go to the settings. Of course, the security, Hodge here. Modules, of course, you can turn off, you can turn on. Of course, the demo data, you'll see here. You can also generate demo data. So see suppliers, lead clients, proposals, payments, Hatch group, and of course the usage plan. Okay, you'll see here. And then what else? And by the way, if you ever have any questions or you are so overwhelmed with the details in Trouble Boost, just let me know so that we can explain it further. All right. So, all in all, Travel Boost supports travel agencies, tours operators, Hatch and Amra agencies, car rentals companies, transport providers, cruise specialists, luxury travel consultant. Like no matter your niche, Travel Boost adapts to your business. Okay, so it was like one platform, complete control. So Travel Boost combines CRM, finance, reporting, business intelligence, operations, customer management, supplier management, and travel services into one connected ecosystem. All right. So it's like instead of managing multiple tools, your entire agency runs from a single platforms. Okay. More bookings, best customer experiences, smarter business decisions, less manual work because in Travel Boost there's a lot of things that you can do. There's also business intelligence analytics that are ready for you, less manual work, and then that's the power of Travel Boost. Okay, that's the power of Travel Boost, and um it's a really good platform for your business because it's like all in one. Okay, so before we finish, I'm going to have why Travel Boost is the most valuable features for you, especially in your operations monitoring, because Travel Boost continuously highlight important items that require attentions. It's like expected future sales, outstanding supplier payments, missed follow-ups, transactions requiring reconciliations, lost deal analysis. So lost deal analysis help agencies understand like why bookings were not won, whether due to pricing, competitions, lack of response, or travel restrictions. Okay, so this insight allows management to continuously improve performance and increase conversion rates because that's the goal. So Travel Boost isn't just a booking system. Remember that. It's a complete travel business operating platform that combines CRM, finance, operations, automations, business intelligence, AI tools, and reporting into one centralized solution. So, thank you so much for your time and welcome to Travel Boost.